wetin you write na. Stylist needed. With your number wey dey there wey stylist dey no be you I call for phone. I don't even know say na for Brisky Junior na they even come meet you. For tell me na make I know.
Can you just calm down? Just calm down. You're making noise. You're shouting. You know what? We are looking for stylists, not Agboro like you.
Oh, yeah, no be Agboro.
Go and meet your village people and ask them what they did to you. Okay? Thank you very much.
Oh, see, this thing no be thank you, matter. You never used to speak English. Give me this work. This thing now job opportunity. No come once pass Buhari now.
Gentleman, whatever you call yourself, Isaac or whatever. I'll get back to you next time, okay?
You get back to me.
Thank you. I'll get back to you, okay?
Yeah. So look at it, go.
Thank you.
And Jennifer, see. Don't worry, once Oka don't implode things for you, I bet you don't do the money. See they bring that one now. Why they laugh? I'm serious now. This one a wish comes true. And by the time the general manager say that toilet, maybe they wash it. Do you know why I love you? Wait a second, because you're a dreamer. Don't worry, nice. Don't be so that they dream from Bible, the dream they come to pass.
Once again, thank you very much. I want to appreciate everyone for the service you all are going to render in this film. Also, I would like to introduce each other so you can be familiar. And I don't need fighting in this office. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, Shoma, Jennifer, this is Isaac. Isaac, this is Shoma and Jennifer.
Nice to meet you, Isaac.
Wahala! See fine girls everywhere. See fine girls. See, my name is Isaac. Oh, Kalisiawa. It's more OG Mogo. See, I want to go make everywhere wet. Go wet everywhere.
I swear.
Excuse me. What's that?
Oh, guy, everywhere good now. No shaky. Now the proper introduction they do so.
You know what?
Yes, sir.
You guys to go back to your work.
Okay, sir.
Okay, wait. See, you get person who for like make you carry come this shop. This person, now rat papa. You know where all the rats dey for this shop. No could just carry and enter the shop. Then you go understand. You go know what they talk. Get who else carry and call. This guy,